No experience, no following, no tech skills, and you can still learn how to build an online business? Yes, I thought that sounded crazy too, because most of us are taught to believe you need to already be somebody online before you can start. You need an audience. You need perfect videos. You need branding. You need to understand funnels, websites, automation, and all the tech pieces. But that is not where everyone starts. That is why this guided program made sense to me. It teaches digital marketing in a beginner friendly way, so regular people can understand how online business actually works. You learn the blueprint, you learn how the system works, you learn how offers are shared, you learn how automation supports the business, and you learn how to start without feeling like you have to know everything first. This can be a work from home option, it can be a side hustle, it can help you understand passive income and how people work from anywhere. But first, you need a clear starting point. That is what this is. If you want to check it out for yourself, go to www.modern-millionaire.com, enter your email, and I will send you the free blueprint and video that explains everything.